llmware is a framework that provides tools for rapidly building industrial-grade enterprise LLM-based applications. This guide discusses what Gemini is, analyzes its performance across a range of computer vision tasks, and shares resources for building with Gemini. Meta is beginning to test making Threads posts available on ActivityPub supporting services. Elon Musk is intent on setting up a primary and secondary school in Austin, Texas, that will focus primarily on STEM. The school will eventually expand and develop into a university. Tesla has released a demo video showing the latest version of its Optimus Gen 2 humanoid robot. The video, available in the article, shows a vastly improved robot moving in real time without any CGI, performing various tasks like walking, crouching, manipulating eggs without breaking them, and waving its arms. Tesla aims to eventually develop a robot to replace human labor in a seamless way. Netflix will start publishing comprehensive deep dives into what its subscribers are watching twice a year. Its first report provides viewer data on more than 18,000 titles, representing a total of nearly 100 billion hours viewed. Netflix's lack of transparency created an environment of mistrust in the industry. The company says that the data released is the same data that it uses to run its business. This page contains a collection of familiar navigation patterns for structuring iOS apps. The collection covers structural, overlay, and embedded navigation patterns. Each section contains an example and a detailed breakdown of the pattern. Deep South is a supercomputer designed to operate in a manner similar to a network of neurons. It uses interconnected artificial neurons and synapses to emulate the brain's ability to learn, adapt, and process information in a highly parallel and distributed manner. The neuromorphic supercomputer will be capable of 228 trillion synaptic operations per second, on par with the estimated number of operations in the human brain, when it becomes operational in April 2024. Scientists have discovered the first indication of nuclear fission occurring amongst the stars. The discovery supports the idea that neutron stars create super-heavy elements that break down via nuclear fission to birth elements like gold. It brings scientists a step closer to solving the mystery of where the universe's heavy elements come from. The research also indicated that elements with atomic masses greater than 260 may briefly exist around neutron star smashes. Monetizing open-source software is notoriously difficult. This post describes Avalonia's approach to creating a sustainable business around a popular open-source project. Avalonia's 30% month-over-month growth during 2023 came with many challenges, which meant that its team needed to expand to handle its community's growing needs. The project gains income through development services, support agreements, in-person training, donations, and by making a paid product. European lawmakers have reached a provisional deal on artificial intelligence rules. The EU AI Act uses a tier system that ranks AI applications based on risk. High-risk AI systems, systems that could impact safety or fundamental rights, and general-purpose AI systems have the most onerous regulatory restrictions. Many parts of the legislation were heavily contested even until the final hours before the deal was approved. The full approved AI Act text won't be available for several weeks.